Fixing unknown error code 220 in Marvel Rivals is super easy to do. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do to actually fix this error is you want to open this application like so. Now, when you actually open to run into your settings just on your central computer, we're going to go over to networks and settings and click on network and sharing center like so. Now, when you click on this, you can actually view your network settings. You can actually go to properties right here, and from here, you simply want to go over to the option right here and actually turn on this other option like so. This will basically make your computer run a lot smoother, so giving it access to actually using these network errors. So you type in the code to your actual server, click on OK, and once you've done this, we can leave these settings and actually type in firewall on our computer like so. Now go over to your computer's firewall and actually make sure click on firewall and turn on protective options for firewall. And you actually want to make sure your firewall is disabled, because if it is enabled, it will basically block it from third-party applications because they think they're sketch and unauthorized to actually be used on your computer. So you want to disable this game is safe, or you can enable it just for strictly this game if you want to keep it on. But once you've disabled your firewall, it should fix your error of the 220 code.